friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to create the walls. Already explained in the construction toggle mode how to create the walls and how to create the walls and how to create the windows and how to create the doors and furniture dimensions and how to create the text in the FreeCAD. Already explained in my previous tutorials. In this video I will show how to create the walls. First, on the toggle construction mode, here you can observe on the toggle construction mode on the toolbar. Then after I want to create the wall. In this present time in the drafting workbench, I want to shift it to sketcher. This is a sketcher workbench. After converting to the sketcher workbench, here the toolbar is there. You can observe this is the toolbar, and I want to import the toolbar, one of the toolbar called, go on to the view and the toolbars. It's called snap settings toolbar, draft and snap. Here you can already explain the snap setting, how to work on the FreeCAD. This is called the snap settings toolbar. You can observe this is the midpoint, end point. You can highlight on the, while you are drawing on the object, you can observe the intersection and the work plane on. These are the settings I already keep it as on. You can observe. Then after I want to create the wall. After clicking on the sketcher workbench, here you can observe the create a new sketch and select the create the new sketch. You can observe this is present we are on the XY plane only, XY plane, and click on OK. If you drawn the plan in YZ plane or XZ plane or the reverse direction of the plane, you can observe this is the plane. Same as I drawn on the top of the plane, you can observe this is the top plane. I drawn the total project here. I am selecting the XY plane and click on OK. Then after see on the XY plane, one of the axis of axis is created, XY axis is created. Then after you drawn the one of the line. For example, I will show you. For example, making the line of line draw. It is called as a polyline. Create a polyline in the sketch. The shortcut is M key, cycles. And the inside of the wall, I am creating the line, continuous line here. You can observe on the screen, and the continuous line I am creating with respect to the end point. And again, I want to create another line here, and I want to join here on like this. And click on enter. Then after the sketcher is completed, you can observe on the screen the line is created, and click on the update and close and go on to the architectural workbench. You can observe the arc here. Click on the arc, and this is on the top plane. You can observe this is on the top view, top plane of the XY plane. I want to shift it to isometric view by clicking on this, and I want to create the wall. What the sketch is created, select the sketch here and click on the wall option. See, the wall is created. Of how much dimension is created you want to show here. Click on the wall. You can observe go on to the data. The height is created of the wall is 3 meter and the length is 68 meter of total perimeter. You can observe the length, total perimeter, and you can observe you can also width on also this is 200. Before I drawn on the plan the 210 of the wall. You can also increase the wall thickness. First I want to convert to the shading. This is on the wireframe mode. I want to create the flat lines mode to shade. This is the wall he created, you can observe. And then after I want to create click on the wall and select the wall, and width I want to change the width to 210, and it is created to 210, 3 meter height. This is the wall is created. The external wall is completed, and after I want to create the wall with the lines. Again, go on to the wall, double click on this and go on to the sketch and double click, and you can simply you can shift it to the arc to the sketcher without doing this here sketch again. Double click on the wall what you created, and after I want to create the wall again. For example, I am creating the wall with the line inside the one of the line I am creating. You can observe. Sometimes you can see the wall is created by clicking on the escape key. Simply it is going to the arc. You can observe sketcher only. You can see the wall is created. Sometimes I will show you by clicking on the wall and clicking on the sketcher. You can observe the grid will disturb. This type of grid you can observe on while drawing. You want to off the grid, go on to the edit controls here on the sketcher. It will highlight properties, show grid, of the grid, and auto constraint. What are the constraints you want to extend the information? Click on the extend information on the XY directions, what the directions of points it is constraint. You can observe by clicking on extend information of the show grid option here. Then the second wall is completed. I want to create the third wall here, the internal wall, same as line. I'm creating the line here. Simply within the wall property you can create, don't do the multiple. Click on the enter and click on escape. It is within the wall. You want to create the new wall again, you want to create the sketcher again, you want to create the new plane like explain. This is somewhat waste of time. Simply click on the wall and click on the sketch, and within the property you can change the all of things what you want. Again I am draw the line of the inside the wall. And click on enter and click on escape. See, wall is created. Then after you want to move this somewhat, you can also move later. I will show you how to move the object and how to give the dimensions also in the properties. First I want to create again, go into the wall and go into the sketch. Again want to create the multiple times. Here I want the wall is required, and again here want a wall here. And I want to create the wall here. Click on enter and click on escape. See, the walls are created. Then after I want to create the washroom walls, and go into the wall and go into the sketcher, and I want to create the wall here. Example, I want to create with the polyline inside. Only one line is required. You can also mirror this by using mirror. Click on and enter, click on escape. Again I want to create the line draw polyline. Like this you can create the 3D model. Click on enter and click on escape. Double click on escape. You tap the double times on escape. You can see the wall is created. You want to move this by pressing on the scroll key and the right control on the mouse button. You can move like this where you want. Like this you can create the internal walls and the external walls. You can see the wall dimension is given on the external wall is given as 210, and this is the 110. I want to change the dimension here. Simply click on the individual wall. I want to create to 110, and this is also 110 I require. This is actually it is created to 110. Where the wall is created, all the walls is created to 110. You can observe like this. This is called the, because we are created in this wall only, then only all the dimension is changing to the, this is what I given before. This is 210 mm. It is changed to 110 because of we are created the internal walls and the external walls in the same wall sketch. You can observe by clicking on the same wall. if you want to create the external wall, first create the one wall of 210 mm, then after create the another wall same like on the sketcher, then after the internal wall and the external wall dimensions will change. This is that's why it is all this dimension also creating to 210. If you observe this is also created. You want to change the color of the wall, simply created what the wall is created, simply select this and you can see the all of the properties here. I want to change the view data to view. On the property value I want to give the lighting, line color and the point color, and this is called the shape color. I want to change the shape color to somewhat this color. You can see the walls are created with different color. All the walls of the color is created. Want to create the multiple of walls like this is a waste of time. If you created the wall and do the same sketch to all to the walls, it is simply created. Then after I want to create the new group here, for example FreeCAD floor plan, and create group. I want to call it as 3D walls and simply click on this, drag to the 3D walls. I want to insert this to construction. The construction are created. I want to, in the floor plan you can create the 3D also. How to create the 2D floor plan already explained previous tutorial. You can also check out those videos also. This is the 3D walls is created in this lesson. After I will create how to create the windows and how to create the doors in the FreeCAD. I will explain in my next tutorial.